we're just briefly going to describe the process of preparing Merlin for shipping or transit. This involves parking the piston and doing up the transit screws. Parking the piston is very simple. To park the piston, have the unit turned off so that it's completely off, and then while it's off, put this switch down to run. Before you turn the unit on, press and hold the reset button and keep it held the entire time. Then turn Merlin on. Beep, 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 it lights up. The piston comes to the back, then moves to the center and parks itself. Now turn Merlin off, and Merlin is ready to have its transit screws done up and then ready for shipping. So remove the power and do not apply power or turn it on again. If you turn it on again, it'll zero the piston and you'll need to repeat the process. Having parked the piston now, turn Merlin on its side. We see there are 3 transit screws clearly labelled. These need to be tightened to hold the chamber tight against the case during transit. They don't need to be very tight, they just need to be tight so that they stop turning. When Merlin's returned to you or arrives to you for the first time as a new product, these 3 transit screws will be done up. It is important before you use Merlin to undo them so that it's released from its mountings during normal use. Simply use a large bladed screwdriver and undo these screws until they become loose, and undo them then as far as they will unscrew. They cannot be undone too much. They will not fall out of the machine because they are held captive by a bolt. With all 3 screws untightened, that's all that's required to prepare Merlin for use.